welcome to the show. Today we have two organic chemistry students with us today. Let's meet them.
I'm Alyssa and I'm going to get an A in organic chemistry.
And I'm James, and to be honest, I'm just trying to pass.
This is the first puzzle of the day. Category is Reactions from Organic Chemistry 2. Contestant number 1, pick your first letter.
Can I have a C?
Yes, you can. Contestant number 2.
Awesome, I know this one. Cyclohexanone, final answer.
That's not even a reaction.
I know the answer.
Contestant number 1.
Cycloaddition, final answer.
Correct.
What's a cycloaddition?
Are you even taking World War II? A cycloaddition is a reaction that involves a diene and a dienophile to react in order to create a ring. They can react under thermal or photochemical conditions depending on the number of pi electrons moving. If there's a total of 4n plus 2 pi electrons moving, then the reaction will occur under thermal conditions. If the number of pi electrons moving is 4n, then it will react under photochemical conditions. Now let's see how the contestants do. Category is mechanisms. Alyssa, since you won the first round, you can go first.
Can I get an arrow from 1 to 2?
Correct, Alyssa. James, your turn.
Can I get an arrow from 4 to 3?
That is incorrect. All the arrows have to flow in the same direction for a cycloaddition.
Can I get an arrow from 3 to 4? And another arrow from 5 to 6?
Correct. The next category is MO diagrams.
What's an MO?
How'd you make it this far? Since this reaction occurs under thermal conditions, as we know from previous examples, we will be using the HOMO of one compound and the LUMO of the other compound in order to determine if this reaction will occur. Since the HOMO of this compound is asymmetric, the frontier electrons will be opposite. The same thing applies for the LUMO compound, plus, minus. Since the frontier electrons match up, that indicates that this reaction will occur. Since we know from the mechanism that this reaction will occur under photochemical conditions, we will be using the LUMO and the LUMO for both compounds, since the electrons become excited under photochemical conditions to the next electron state. Based on the MO diagrams, we know that they will be asymmetric for both compounds. Since they're both asymmetric, the frontier electrons will line up, and therefore this reaction will occur. So for our next question, we will be guessing the reaction conditions based on using the HOMO of one compound and the LUMO of the other compound. James, there are only 4 letters in this answer. What is the conditions?
Heat?
He's right.
Yes.
Correct. And the winner of tonight's episode is James.
What? This is bullshit.
Well, have a good night, everyone. Except for you, Alyssa. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.